Yamaha WaveRunner XLT800, XLT1200, won't start. This video outlines factory troubleshooting procedures that you should follow to fix a Yamaha WaveRunner XLT800 or XLT1200 engine that will not turn on and begin to work. These troubleshooting procedures apply to a motor that will not start up because it has been sitting for a while. It also pertains to a WaveRunner that cranks but will not start. And it applies to an engine that will not turn over and start. Lastly, it applies to a watercraft that starts but stalls shortly after. It is highly recommended you download the complete factory repair manual at 911manual.com before you perform troubleshooting, maintenance, service or repair to your personal watercraft. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual. You can download the manual in seconds. The repair manual, seen here, covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service and repair. You can use it to perform a simple oil change or to rebuild the entire vehicle. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.